There is this feature on the switcher here labeled aux that we're going to talk about now in more detail. So what we're going to do here, if you hit this button, notice how these colors down here will change. So if I hit this, notice they all turn this shade of blue. In this environment here, in Studio C that is, we have two different options that you can see here. We have a monitor at the desk and we have a monitor hanging on the wall. In this case, you can see them there in camera 5 and 7. So how do we get content or material into those monitors? The way we do that is through the auxes. So here it's aux 6 for the desk and aux 7 for the wall, as you can see in this little helpful reminder right here. So what we do in order to access or to put something into the monitor, let's say I want to put something at the desk, I could say aux 6. And now when you do that, this whole key bus becomes your selector bus. In other words, what do I want to put in aux 6? Let's say I have something in the image store, since you can see it right here, it's image store 1. So if I say aux 6 is image store 1, notice now you see the off the wire logo pop up there on the camera 5 monitor in the desk. Now what if I want to put something different in the wall? Well, in that case, I could say aux 7. And now I could say, for example, image store 2. And you see that pop up there on the camera 7 shot. Now you could take this one step further and you could actually assign an ME to one of the auxes. Why would you want to do that? All right, so I'm going to choose this button right here, aux 7 ME2. So now that I've pressed aux 7 is ME2, you'll see the output here of ME2 appear in the monitor. Meaning, if I change what's in program of ME2 to K26, now you see it appear there in the monitor as well. So now if I come over here to do the transition with it set to mix, and if I hit auto, it will do a cross dissolve between server 6 and server 7 in ME2, but remember, ME2 is the output that's feeding that monitor, so now if I hit auto, it cross dissolves in the monitor. Likewise, like we talked about before with the other transitions, if I hit wipe, now because I'm wiping up in ME2, and ME2 is feeding that monitor, if I hit auto, the wipe is executed in the monitor.